My name is Dr. Dasharath RK, Professor in the Department of Information Technology from BVRIT, Hyderabad. Welcome to the Cloud Computing course. Let's start understanding what this cloud computing course has for you. So what is cloud computing? Well, cloud computing is the delivery of on-demand computing resources over the internet. Traditionally, you would perform computing locally or on-premise. With cloud computing, it can now be performed remotely across the internet or off-premise. Let's now look at some of the benefits of cloud computing. First of all, cloud computing is cost-effective. It offers you pay-as-you-go pricing. You need to pay only for the resources you use, and this lowers your cost. No capital expenditure is required to get started. Second, it is scalable. It scales the resources vertically by adding a faster CPU and adding memory. The vertical scaling is done by adding more servers. Finally, it has an elastic property. It automatically adds or removes the resources. It has resources when the application is facing high traffic and removes the unnecessary resources. Now let us look at what the course covers. This course has 7 lessons which will give you an introduction to cloud computing. After this course introduction lesson, you will be looking at the basics of cloud computing, then adopting cloud. We will also speak about public cloud services and pricing. Then we will cover security and privacy in cloud. We will also see how the future of the cloud ecosystem looks, and finally we will look at building a business case for cloud. Course outcomes. By the end of this course, you will be able to explain cloud computing, list the ways cloud computing can help businesses improve profitability and productivity, to describe the strategies and steps for cloud migration, identify the different laws and regulations cloud providers have to comply with, the discovery upcoming technologies beyond cloud computing, and illustrate how cloud computing meets business needs using different case studies. We have different case studies in this course. These help you understand the real-life implementation of cloud computing. At the end of this course, there will be an assessment of 18 questions. Some of the case studies covered in the course are Netflix, 3M and Adobe. Netflix case study shows how Netflix achieved sub-second response times for analytics queries, reducing downtime. Then how Adobe now operates a massive software as a service business from the cloud.